Most welcome student, this is Utkarsh Tiwari, chemistry faculty. Now student, we are discussing a very important topic. This is symmetry. It is a tools of optical isomerism. It means before optical isomerism we must be study about what is the mean of the symmetry. Now if we take a concern of optical isomerism, so all molecules can be described in the term of the symmetry. Now here we are discussing these symmetry vocabularies. First one is a configuration, means exact position or orientation in the 3 dimension. It means two compounds which has a exact structure, then this is called configuration. Clear? Now identical on configuration, if after orientation it get the same structure, then this is called identical configuration and it is represented by E. Now the third one, this is equivalent configuration. Equivalent configuration, it means not exact structure, exact configuration can be, you can say that approximately equal, and this is called equivalent configuration. Now fourth one is a proper orientation. Proper orientation we are discussing, and this is coming the next point we are discussing with the help of the example. This is represented by C and M. Now the fifth one, this is a mirror plane, this is represented by sigma, and after that we are coming the sixth one, this is called improper orientation, this is represented by S and M, and the last one, seventh one, is a inversion. Clear? So we discussed all these points. Now see it in the next page. Now we are discussing about a proper rotation. Proper rotation is actually represented by C and M. ना बच्चों समझिएगा C and M मीन्स क्या रहता है. C का मतलब है रोटेशन से. क्लियर? नो प्रॉपर रोटेशन को यानी कि हम लोग C से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. N मीन्स नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स. Now here we write over here. N means you calculate by 360 upon N. Suppose if the N is equal to 2 means rotation at 180 degree. After rotation of 180 degree, then it get the exact position, then you can say that N is equal to 2. You can and write that one is the other way, which means 360 divided 180 means the number of N means equal to 2. Now if the 360 upon 3 means a rotation in a 120, or you can say that 360 upon 120 means 3, then N is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to, this is a number of rotations. Now again explain rotation. This is not called a number of rotation. This value is getting in a how many angle it rotate, get the exact position. This value is called N, and here we are divided by N. M means, here we write M means a number of rotation, then get the exact position. This is called a repeating figure. इसको repeating figure भी बोल सकते हैं. Clear? Now we can explain with the example. Clear? Now see it. Now see it. Here is a angle is 180 means 360 upon 180 means N value is coming 2, and after the one rotation that get this one, तो M value is 1 क्योंकि कितने rotate हुए एक ही बार. So this is a M is equal to 1. Now if the angle is 120 means 360 upon 120 means N turns. N turns के बाद यानी 3 turns के बाद वो exact position gain करेगा. This is the first rotation. ठीक, यहाँ पर हम लोग कितना है C3 है तो 1 हुआ, फिर एक बार एक और रोटेट हुआ C3 2 हुआ, यानी इसीलिए C3 से C3 2 लिखा. Now in the exact position it gave, then this is the value C3 value 3. Clear? So I think you understand what is the M, what is the N. 120 upon 360 means 3, and after rotation get the same position. This is called M. Clear? I think you understand very well what is the mean of N and M over here. Now student, next one, this is actually what is the mean of the mirror plane means sigma. Sigma H means if we cut like that way in a horizontally, like कैसे cut करेंगे हम लोग, horizontal में cut करेंगे. ठीक है, तो हॉरिजॉन्टल में कट करेंगे जैसा वो है मॉलिक्यूल, जैसे मेरा ये हाथ है, अब उसको ऐसे ही कट किया जाए इसी हॉरिजॉन्टल में, तो ये क्या कहलाता है हॉरिजॉन्टल. जैसे ही हमने मॉलिक्यूल बनाया है ये इस प्लेन पे, जिस प्लेन पे आपको बोर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है, उसी प्लेन पे ऐसे कट करें तो ये कहलाता है सिग्मा एच हॉरिजॉन्टल। उसके परपेंडिकुलर वर्टिकल, उसके डायगोनली डायगोनल प्लेन। तो इस तरीके से हम लोग उसे इतने पार्ट, सिमेट्रिक पार्ट में डिवाइड करते थे। सिग्मा वी वर्टिकल, सिग्मा एच हॉरिजॉन्टल, सिग्मा डायगोनली मीन्स mirror plane diagonally. Clear? I think you understand the second point. This is a mirror plane. Now after that we are coming the next point, students. Now sit. Now student, we are coming the next one. What is the meaning of the equivalent configuration? Now these two figure here, I am right over here. This is a mirror. So these are actually a two same figure. So this is called equivalent configuration. Now they are not an exact structure, a covalent structure. So this is a no equivalent configuration. Clear? So I think you understand what is the meaning of the equivalent configuration. Now we are coming to the next point. Now student, we are discussing about improper rotation, means S and M. Now this is a 3-dimension structure of methane, CH4. Here we discuss about a CH4. Clear student? Here we are discussing about CH4. Now if rotate 4 means we know that why we fold 360 divided by 90, so there is a 4 rotations, then it is called a C4. Now this is a C in a center, H1, H2, H3 here, this corner H4. So if rotate in a 4 points, now see that improper rotation. Why this is improper rotation? Because it did not get the exact position. Now so this is called improper rotation. Now if rotated on 1 point, so this H1 is coming here, you see that 1, this is, you can write 1, यहाँ पे आ गया, ये H2 कहाँ पे आ गया, यहाँ पे घूम के ये H3 यहाँ पे आ गया, H4 उसको। अब यहाँ से हम लोगों ने पढ़ा हुआ है सिग्मा H, अगर इसको बाइसेक्ट कर दे तो ऊपर वाली चीज नीचे, यानी देखिए H1 यहाँ था, नीचे आ गया, H2 यहाँ था, ये आ गया, H3 दिस इज कमिंग ओवर हियर एंड H4 इज ओवर हियर. क्लियर? सो हियर इन दिस सेम वे इम्प्रॉपर रोटेशन, यहाँ पर रोटेशन इम्प्रॉपर है, एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन गेन नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो ये दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्चुअली इम्प्रॉपर रोटेशन. नाउ I think student, you must be understand what is the meaning of proper rotation and improper rotation. And one thing is remembering, and that one is this figure means N in SN, M or CN, M. What is the difference in both of them? Now see it clearly. See it. Now student, we are now discussing about what is the inversion. इन्वर्ट मीन्स अपोजिट, एक दूसरे से पलट जाना, दिस इज इन्वर्जन. जैसे ये 180 पलट के यहाँ आ जाए, दिस इज इन्वर्जन. नाउ यू सी दैट इन हेक्सागोनल 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. सो सपोज 1 इज इन्वर्ट टू देयर, कमिंग यहाँ आ गया, 1 यहाँ आ गया, 6 ऊपर, 5 यहाँ था, 3 यहाँ था, तो 3 यहाँ चला गया, 5 यहाँ, 4 यहाँ था, 2 यहाँ था, यहाँ आ गया, ये 2 हो गया, ये 4 हो गया. क्लियर? सो ये पलट गया, दिस इज कॉल्ड इन्वर्जन. So here student, we are discussing what is the tools of symmetry, what is the mean of symmetry, and after that in the next video I am discussing with a lots of example all these example points. अब हम लोग इन सब चीज़ों को और एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ और फिगर के साथ समझेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो. इस वीडियो में बच्चों मैं आपसे इतना ही डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. So stay tuned and coming I am next video with a symmetry. Clear? Next part of the symmetry. This is the first part of the symmetry, students. Now see properly. Now take care yourself and as well as your parents. Now thank you and thanks a lot.